Why isn't my credit card payment instant? Credit card payments aren't instant due to processing times and bank policies. Payments need to be received by a specified cut-off time, typically 5 p.m. or later on the due date. Credit card payments are not always instant because of the underlying processes involved in transferring funds from your account to the credit card issuer. The general rule is that a credit card payment must be credited as of the date it is received. However, the specific policies and processing times can vary, depending on the bank and the method used to make the payment. Banks often set reasonable requirements for receiving payments. One common requirement is a cut-off time for payments on the due date. The cut-off time is the latest time of day by which the payment must be received to be credited on the same day. This cut-off time is typically set at 5 p.m. or later. If your payment is received after this time, it may be processed on the next business day. Processing times also depend on the method you use to make the payment. Different payment methods have different timelines for funds to be transferred. For example, if you make a payment online, it may take a day or two for the funds to be transferred from your bank account to the credit card issuer. Additionally, if you're making a payment from a different bank or financial institution, the transaction may take longer due to interbank processing times. Electronic funds transfers between banks are subject to the Automated Clearinghouse (ACH) system, which may introduce delays depending on the banks involved. How long should it take for a credit card payment to go through? The time it takes for a credit card payment to go through depends on various factors, including the payment method and the policies of your bank and credit card issuer. Once you initiate a credit card payment, the transaction is considered complete when your issuer receives the funds from your bank account. This process can be instantaneous, taking only a few minutes, or it may take up to 3 business days. The payment method you choose plays a significant role in determining the processing time. If you make a payment through your bank's online portal or mobile app, the funds may be transferred more quickly than if you mail a check or make an in-person payment. Online payments are often processed faster because they involve electronic transfers, which can be completed more efficiently than traditional paper-based methods. However, even within online payments, there can be differences. Some banks offer expedited payment options for a fee, allowing you to ensure a quicker transfer of funds. If you're making a payment from a different bank or financial institution, the transaction may take longer due to interbank processing times. Electronic funds transfers between banks are subject to the ACH system, and the time it takes for the funds to move can vary based on the participating banks. It's essential to be aware of your bank's policies and the specific cut-off times for credit card payments. Cut-off times are crucial because payments received after the specified time on the due date may be credited on the next business day. How can I pay my credit card bill instantly? Paying your credit card bill instantly involves using fast and efficient payment methods, such as the Immediate Payment Service, IMPS. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to pay your credit card bill instantly through IMPS. Number 1. Download the mobile application. Start by downloading the mobile application of your banking institution from the App Store relevant to your device. Number 2. Log in to mobile banking. Once the app is installed, log into your mobile banking account using your credentials. This may include entering your username and password or using biometric authentication, depending on your bank's security features. Number 3. Navigate to Bank Account section. After logging in, find and click on the Bank Account section. This is where you can manage your linked accounts and perform various banking transactions. Number 4. Access IMPS. Within the Bank Account section, locate the IMPS option. IMPS stands for Immediate Payment Service, and it enables real-time interbank electronic funds transfer. Number 5. Choose Merchant Payment. Once you're in the IMPS section, select the Merchant Payment option. This is the category you'll use for making payments to your credit card issuer. Number 6. Enter credit card details. You'll likely be prompted to enter details such as your credit card number, the amount you wish to pay, and any other required information. Ensure accuracy to avoid transaction issues. Number 7. Verify and confirm. Review the entered information to confirm its accuracy. Many banking apps provide a confirmation step to prevent errors. Number 8. Authorize payment. Complete the transaction by authorizing the payment. This may involve entering a secure PIN or using biometric authentication, depending on your bank's security measures. Number 9. Receipt and confirmation. Once the payment is processed, you should receive a confirmation message or receipt. Keep this for your records. Using IMPS for credit card payments offers the advantage of real-time processing, making it one of the fastest ways to settle your credit card bill. However, it's essential to check whether your credit card issuer and bank support IMPS transactions and if any fees are associated with using this service.